Hey family, this is Darlene. By the time I thought about it, I had already created 4 pair of pearl earrings. Let me know if you want me to create a video that shows you how I made these. These you can add to your inventory as $1 pearl earrings as well. And then I had a question if the pearls are plastic or are they glass? They're plastic. That's why you can sell them for $1 because you're buying them so cheaply till it just makes sense. Alrighty, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. We'll talk soon.